Morning everybody, this is Mr. Dakota from St. Paul High School in Worcester, Mass. This video is for my geometry classes. Okay, today we're going to talk about polygons, what a polygon is, and how to calculate the interior angles. So, we are on the polygon angle sum theorem, which is chapter 3, section 5 on page 157 in the textbook. A polygon is a closed plane figure with at least 3 sides that are segments. Okay, so here I drew some examples. So this is a polygon. Notice that the sides only intersect at their endpoints, the segments, and it is a closed plane figure. There is no opening. This one here is not a polygon. Even though the sides do intersect at their endpoints, this is open. Okay, so this is not a polygon. Let's take a look at this one. Now this one, the sides, it is a closed plane figure, but if you notice that the segments that are the sides are intersecting other than their endpoints. So if you look at DB, that's intersecting here at C, same thing with AE. Okay, it's intersecting at C. So this is not a polygon. So make sure you understand the differences between what a polygon is and what a polygon is not. Okay? If we go over here, a regular polygon has all of the sides and angles are congruent. So if I was to calculate this, okay, and figure out what these measurements are, all of these internal angles here that are marked congruent would be congruent. I'll show you how to calculate this in a minute. And all of the sides are congruent. So this is called a regular polygon. If it is not a regular polygon, it is just a polygon. Okay, let's go back over here to the middle. So, polygon angle sum theorem states n minus 2 times 180 is the formula, where n is the number of sides. So let's take a look at this one here. I need to calculate my angle y, and I need to calculate the angle 1. Well, first off, to calculate the angle 1 should be very simple. The interior and exterior angles are supplementary. So we just do 180 minus 85. Angle 1 is 95 degrees. Okay? Now, if we look closely at this, this is not a regular polygon. You notice all the interior angles are different, and the side lengths are different. Okay, so in order to calculate this, we're going to use n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So I'm going to put in 4 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So that's 2 times 180, which is equal to 360 degrees. So that's what I'm going to set this equation to. So I have my y here, plus the sum of the internal angles is equal to 360. So I'm going to add up 120 plus 85 plus 63, and that's equal to 268. Okay, I'm going to subtract 268 from both sides. So y is equal to, if you're going to calculate 360 minus 268 is equal to 92 degrees. Okay, so if I put 92 over in here, okay, and then I was to add them up. Remember, the sum of these internal angles, it's a 4-sided figure, should equal 360 degrees. So 92 plus 63 plus 85 plus 120 is equal to 360 degrees. We're good. Let's take a look at this one over here to the right. So, same formula, n minus 2 times 180. Okay, so I'm going to count my sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I'm going to do 5 minus 2 times 180, which is 3, times 180, which is equal to 540 degrees. So I'm going to set my equation equal to 540. Okay, so I'll bring this down over here. I have x plus, so now I'm going to calculate it. So I have 132 plus 82 plus 117 plus 126. That is equal to 457. So I'm going to subtract 457 from both sides. So x is equal to, on my calculator, 540 minus 457 is equal to 83 degrees. So my x is equal to 80. Again, angle 1 and the internal angles are supplementary. So on my calculator, I'm going to do 180 minus 117. This is 63 degrees. Internal and external angles are supplementary. I'm just going to quickly check my work to make sure that the sum of these is equal to 540. So 132 plus x is 83 plus 82 plus 117 plus 126 is equal to 540 degrees. We are good. Okay, the last one I want to show you is the regular polygon, how to calculate this. So it's 5 sides, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do the same thing. So 5 minus 2 times 180. So that's 3 times 180 is equal to 540 degrees. Now, since all of them are the same, we're going to divide that by 5. So each of these internal angles here is 108 degrees. Okay? And this will only work on regular polygons. Now you can have a regular polygon that are 20 sides, you know, that's called a 20gon, but we'll talk more about that after, about naming and convex and converse when I see you. I'm more worried about being able to complete the math right now. Remember to use the formula n minus 2, where n is the number of sides. Make sure you copy down the vocabulary, please. It's a very good idea to read that section, chapter 3, section 5 on page 157. And again, I'll be here to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you and have a good day.